The pen.
Because there's a hole in the pen. Dalton dug some of the shit out, and they haven't tried to get out there yet again. Or maybe they tried and decided it's better just to stay there. Oh, and it's too muddy to take my pickup out and go up to Shady Acres. It's too muddy.
Okay.
Because as you will see.
Oh my lord. Dad, can you make any stories shorter?
Anyway, I spent money. Your mother saw how the outside of the pickup looks.
Yes, you're gonna get it repainted, I hear.
No, I'm not. I don't know if I'm gonna get it repainted. I did this to get the good I had them.
Dad.
There was some old mud on the pickup, but the night.
Oh yeah, you got it washed. You went through the washer.
There was some mud on the pickup, but not.
Gunner, tell him to be quiet.
Not Monday night, but Sunday night. Let's see. Yesterday was.
Well, good story, Dad.
Hold it. Hold it. Not Monday. Not Sunday night, but Monday night. Monday night. Anyway, Monday night. Monday night before the rain, there was some like dust on the pickup, and it started to rain, and I put it in the, and I put it.
If he would like go.
I put it in the, and it started to rain. I put the pickup in the shed, and then I looked at it. All that dust on the outside made it look really bad. All that dust on the outside, and just a few drops of rain. Anyway, there was a few drops of rain, and made it look blotched and hard to see. Anyway, those few drops of rain made it look blotched and hard to see the hail damage. So yesterday, I took it to the car wash. It looks beautiful.
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.